Today we're doing the coin challenge in all the running games I have. Okay, starting off so good. Maybe not. Well, let's have a second chance. Huh. Oh hell no. Second chance over.
Second game, Al Nashha Run.
I am very pro at this game, I think I can do it. So much cars. Anyways, guys, I wanted to say that my TikTok account got banned. Probably on how people keeps reporting me. I don't know. I am epic at this game, yes. Oh hell nah, not this part. Well, second chance.
Three-game Minion Run.
Haven't played this game for a long time, so why not play it? Oh no. Second try. I still suck.
4-game, Onam Run. Oh hell no. Second try. Okay, I failed.
5-game Ryan's World. I think I played this game when I was 7. Okay, that was fast.
Welcome to the last game called Melon Run.
This game is very hard because people died a lot, so time to play. Oh my god, I am alive, this is the best, and I won. It's so easy, I wonder how people lose lol. Huh, what was that?
It's time to die, boy.
Oh no.
The loser can't even fight back. Burn. Ha ha ha.